Very neatly kept 10.75-acre horse farm with a lovely home of 2,615 finished square feet and an additional 1,500 unfinished square feet in basement. Main level of home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. Open kitchen, all kitchen appliances remain. Butler's pantry. Dining room. Laundry room. 2-car garage. Upstairs features an office and bonus room over garage. Basement has 1,500 square feet of unfinished space to finish as you like. Covered front porch with nice views of the countryside. Large covered back deck of composite decking. Now for the part your horses are going to love. A 38 by 68 stall horse barn with tack room, water and electric, 8 by 60 lean-to on each side. 12 by 20 loafing shed. Fence lush pastures. 24 by 36 open equipment shed. 20 by 24 storage building / workshop. 12 by 16 storage building. Located in a beautiful setting of the country within less than a 10-minute drive to town of Madisonville. Tellico Lake 15-minute drive, Tellico River and Cherahalla Skyway 25 minutes, which is located in the Cherokee National Forest, part of the Great Smoky Mountains.